Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Spatial Scene Wallpaper not working issue on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you are trying to generate spatial scene on a picture on your wallpaper in iPhone in iOS 26 and you are trying to create 3D image of your wallpaper, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below, go to general, then go to software update and check if there is any update available for you. So guys, here you can see this. If there is any update available for you, you have to simply update it, and after this go back to your home screen again, and now you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply apply the new wallpaper to try or generate spatial scene on that wallpaper again. So guys, you have to simply apply a new wallpaper and try to generate the spatial scene again on your iPhone and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.